Hello everyone, myself Smita Ghosh from Smita's Mathematica. Today we solve JEE Main Shift 2 26th of August 2021 question. Let A1, A2, A3 up to A10 in AP common difference -3 and B1, B2, B3 up to B10 are in GP with common ratio 2 and CK is equal to AK plus BK, where K is equal to 1, 2, 3 up to 10. If C2 is equal to 12 and C3 is equal to 13, then the value of K is equal to 1 to 10, CK is equal to what? So this is the question in the house of APGP. So at first this one form an AP with common difference -3. Therefore A1 -3 plus B1 into 2, that is equal to 12, and A1 -6 this one and AP and B1 B2 B3 are in GP, so plus B1 into 2 square, that is equal to 13. AP common difference and that is equal to 13. So A1 is equal to, from these two, A1 is equal to 11 and B1 is equal to 2. Now we have to find the value summation of that is K is equal to 1 to 10 CK, that is equal to summation of K is equal to 1 to 10 AK plus K is equal to 1 to 10 BK. So that is equal to 10 by 2. So 2 and this in 2 into 21 and this one, sorry, 2 into 11 plus 9 into minus of 3 common difference, and another one is plus 2 into minus 1 minus 2 divide 1 minus 2. This is from this form in GP. So now calculating this 2 1, we get this one 0. So 10 by 2 22 minus 27 plus it is minus 2 by minus 1. So between the limit, so calculating this 2 1, we get 2021. So this is our required answer. So this is the whole solution of question 13. Now moving to question 14. So question 14 tells us this is the question in the house of complex number. If root 3 plus iota whole 100 is equal to 2 to the power 19 p plus iota q, then p and q are the root of the equation of the 4 options are given. We have to calculate the equations. So this is the question in the house of complex number, JEE Main Shift to 26th of August 2021. So given that root 3 plus iota whole 100, that is equal to 2 to the power 99 p plus iota q. So now we write that is 2 into root 3 by 2 plus half into iota, it is whole 100. So left hand side at first we do it So that is equal to, that implies 2 to the power 99 p plus I q. So that implies 2 to the power 100, and this one is equal to, we may write cos of pi by 6 plus iota sine of pi by 6 whole 100. That is equal to 2 to the power 99 p plus I q. So now 2 to the power 100 into this one is equal to, after we get simplification, we get that is 100 pi by 6 cos 100 pi by 6 plus iota sine 100 pi by 6, that is equal to 2 to the power 19 p plus iota q. So now that implies, now simplifying this one, cos 50 by pi, so 2 to the power 100 cos 50 pi by 3 plus iota sine 50 pi by 3, that is equal to 2 to the power 99 p plus iota q. So that is equal to 2 to the power 100 minus half plus iota root 3 by 2, that is equal to 2 to the power 19 p plus iota q. So now this one become this one is equal to 2 to the power, so 2 to the power 99, that is equal to minus 1 plus iota root 3, that is equal to 2 to the power 99 p plus iota q. So comparing both sides, we get p is equal to minus 1 and q is equal to root 3. So now the equation which forms, these are the two roots, therefore now the equation, therefore the equation become, so the equation become x square minus root 3 minus 1 into x minus of root 3, that is equal to 0. So it is our required solution, and our option is root 3 minus 1, so root 3 minus 1 minus root 3, so option 4 is our correct choice. So here is the whole solution of question 14. Now moving to question 15. So question 15, if the function fx is equal to 2x cube minus 6x square minus 18x has local maxima at x equal to a and local minima at x equal to b, and the area bounded by y is equal to fx from x is equal to a and x is equal to b in a, then the value of 4a is equal to what? So this is the question in the house of maxima minima, and it's JMN ship to 26th of August 2021 question. So fx is given here, that is fx is equal to 2x cube minus 6x square minus 18x. Therefore f dash x is equal to what? F dash x is equal to 6x square minus 12x minus 18. Now 6 is common here, so that is x square minus 2x minus 3 is equal to 6 common when x square minus 2x minus 3. So after middle term the factor become x minus 3 and x plus 1. So this is the point 3 comma minus 1 is the where the maxima here. So now this is our axis and x-axis, so the curve become just like this. So this one is the curve and here is minus 1. So this one is the lower limit and this is 0 and here is the point that is 3. Sorry, this one is 3. So this one is 3. So this is 3. So we should calculate the area, this one and this one, which is bounded by the curve. So now we may write this one, that therefore area is equal to integration minus 1 to 0 f of x dx plus mod. It comes with the sign minus, so taking mod here, 0 to 3, now integration limit and fx dx. So this one, now put fx is equal to what? 2x cube minus 6x square minus 12x. So after integrating and we get 1, 2 is out from this. Here 2, here we get this one is equal to minus 1 minus 4 plus 18. Upper limit 0, lower limit minus 1. So this one become this and the last one become, and this one is equal to 81 minus 108 minus 162 and mod is here. So when we eliminated mod, this one become only 13 and it is minus 89 and if mod is taken here, so here it is 89 only, so it is 101. So area A is calculated, that is A is equal to 101. Therefore we should calculate the value of 4A. 4A is equal to 404. So this is our required answer. So area 4A is equal to 404. So these are the 3 solutions. Any question, any query, you should just comment me in the comment box. Thanks for watching my video. That's all.